In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replicate an email template and edit it. By the end, you'll know the fastest, safest way to copy an existing email design, make updates without changing the original, and save your work with confidence. Start by heading to the Email Templates area from the top menu. This is your central hub for anything related to template creation and management. Once you're there, look for the Saved Templates section. This is where all your existing designs live, including past newsletters, product campaigns, and any sample templates provided by your platform. If you have a long list, use the search or sorting options to quickly zero in on the template you want to reuse. When you've found the one you want to replicate, look for the small drop-down arrow next to that template's name. It's often on the right side of the row or near a More Options icon. Click that drop-down and choose Replicate Template. This action creates a full copy of the original design, preserving your layout, images, fonts, and colors, so you don't have to rebuild anything from scratch. It also protects the original file, which is helpful if it's part of a previous campaign you might want to reference or reuse again later. After a moment, you'll see a new entry appear back in your Saved Templates list. The copy is usually labeled something like Copy of, followed by the original template name. That prefix makes it easy to spot the duplicate and keeps you from accidentally editing the source template. Take a quick glance to confirm the copy is there and that it's the one you intend to work on. Next, click the replicated template to open it for editing. This is your chance to update details like the subject line, header text, body copy, images, buttons, and any links. Keep an eye on brand elements such as colors and logos to ensure consistency. If your campaign has new dates, offers, or product details, replace those throughout the design so everything stays accurate. As you work, give extra attention to links and call-to-action buttons to ensure they point to the correct pages. When you're satisfied with your changes, click Save and Exit. This locks in your edits and returns you to saved templates with your updated copy ready for use. That's it. You've successfully replicated a template, made your updates, and saved your work without touching the original. Thanks for watching, and great job streamlining your email workflow.